In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sticky header in Framer. Now, of course, the first thing you must have and that you will need is a header, which I don't have right now. So I'm going to go to the top left, insert navigation, and I'm going to insert a very basic header over here. Now, what a sticky header will do, if I go ahead and open the preview, as you can see, there's the header. If I scroll down, it just stays there and doesn't stick up to the top and doesn't move with my scrolling, okay? So a sticky header will actually make it always stay on top, no matter where you are on the website. So let me show you how to do this. It's actually very simple. Now, the basic mode to do this is very, very easy. However, if you want to be a bit more advanced, there's other methods to do it. However, I do think this one is going to be sufficient. So you simply want to select your header over here. So select it like this. And then here on the right hand side, you can see position and then type. Under type, usually it's going to be on the relative. You want to switch it over to sticky. And if you do that over here, it's going to be sticky. And if I now go into preview mode, if I scroll down, as you can see, my header is now sticky, and we've successfully created a sticky header in here inside the Framer. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.